Are you ready to revamp your new year? It's time to leave behind old habits and embrace positive ones for success. Let's start with the basics, practicing gratitude. Each day, take a moment to appreciate the little things that make you happy. It can be as simple as a warm cup of coffee or a beautiful sunset. Gratitude will boost your mood and set the tone for a great day. Next, prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Exercise regularly, meditate, or indulge in a hobby you love. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential for your overall well-being. Now, let's talk about goal setting. Set clear and realistic goals for the year ahead. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps to stay motivated. Visualize your success and believe in yourself. With the right mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Another crucial habit is time management. Plan your days effectively, creating a balance between work and leisure. Prioritize your tasks and tackle the most important ones first. By managing your time well, you'll be more productive and accomplish your goals faster. Finally, surround yourself with positivity. Minimize exposure to negative influences and toxic relationships. Instead, seek out people who inspire and support you. Positive energy will fuel your motivation and propel you towards success. So this new year, let's enter with a fresh perspective and good habits. Embrace gratitude, prioritize self-care, set goals, manage your time, and surround yourself with positivity. Together, let's make this year the best one yet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. See you in the next video.